thyroid dysfunctions. Okay, thyroid hormone dysfunction clinical cases can be of how many types? Two types, hypo and hyperthyroidism. So to proceed further, before proceeding further, what we should revise the axis, the hormonal axis, and it starts from hypothalamus. Then it releases which hormone? TRH. Okay, thyroxine releasing hormone, and then it reacts on pituitary, which releases TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Then TSH acts on the thyroid gland itself and helps formation of T3 and T4. What is T3 and T4? Triiodothyroxine and tetraiodothyroxine. So the coupling of monoiodothyroxine and diiodothyroxine occurs in the thyroid follicles. Right? Clear? So the axis is clear. Now, any kind of disease, like whether it be hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism, can be of three categories. Okay, primary, secondary and tertiary according to the hormonal axis. Okay, so in case of primary thyroid diseases, the main pathology lies in the thyroid gland itself, where the gland is injured or diseased, and that's why production of thyroid hormones are hampered. Which thyroid hormones? T4 and T3. Okay, so in both cases, like in case of hyperthyroidism also, in case of hypothyroidism also, pathology in thyroid glands will lead to the primary disease. Next comes the secondary cause, where the pituitary is affected and there is either decreased secretion of TSH or increased secretion of TSH, leading to hypo or hyperthyroidism. Okay, the gland itself, thyroid gland is okay, but their problem lies in the pituitary gland. Okay, so this is secondary cause of any kind of thyroid disease. And the tertiary, there the problem lies in hypothalamus. Bojha geche? What is primary, what is secondary and what is tertiary thyroid disease? In case of secondary disease, thyroid disease, pituitary gland is affected. Okay, so if it produces less TSH, it will lead to less production of T3, T4, leading to hypothyroidism. That will be secondary hypothyroidism. Whereas the gland, thyroid gland, if it produces less T3, T4 because of any disease or pathology, it will be primary hypothyroidism. Bojha geche? Clear to? Now coming to a clinical case. Write down the case. A 53-year-old housewife attended OPD with complaints of a 53-year-old housewife attended OPD with complaints of weakness, lethargy, constipation, aches and pains all over the body, weakness, lethargy, constipation, aches and pain all over the body for past 6 to 8 months. So the complaints are of weakness, lethargy, constipation, aches and pain all over the body. Okay, for last 6 to 8 months. She felt more cold than others. She felt more cold than others and had also gained weight. She felt more cold than others and had also gained weight in the last few months. Also had gained weight. in the last few months. She gave a history of her sister. She gave a history of her sister suffering from a thyroid disease. She gave a history of her sister suffering from a thyroid disease. এই পর্যন্ত history complete. 53-year-old female came to OPD with complaints of lethargy, weakness, constipation, aches and pain all over the body. She also complained of coldness, extreme feeling of cold and weight gain in past few months. ঠিক আছে? And she also gave a history of her sister suffering from a thyroid disease. Now on examination, she looked obese. On examination, she looked obese and her skin was dry and coarse. Her skin was dry and coarse. There was puffiness of face present. Puffiness of face present. Thyroid gland was palpable and firm but not enlarged. Thyroid gland was palpable and firm but not enlarged. Ankle and knee jerk reflexes are slow. Ankle and knee jerk reflexes were slow. On examination, she looked obese and her skin was dry and coarse with puffiness of face. Thyroid gland was palpable and firm but not enlarged. Her ankle and knee jerk reflexes were slow. Joint movements were sluggish and slightly painful. Joint movements were sluggish and slightly painful. Joint movements were sluggish and slightly painful, but no swelling, redness or tenderness present over joints. But no swelling, redness or tenderness present over joints. হয়েছে? On examination আমরা কি কি পেয়েছি? Clear? Patient looked obese and her skin was dry and coarse with facial puffiness. Thyroid gland was enlarged and firm. Thyroid gland was palpable and firm but not enlarged. Ankle and knee jerk reflexes were slow. Joint movements were sluggish and slightly painful, but no swelling, redness or tenderness over joints. হয়েছে? Clear? Now coming to the investigation reports. Investigation reports. Hemoglobin 10.2. 10.2 hemoglobin 10.2 gram per dl. Total count 63,000. Sorry, 6,300. 6,300. Okay. Fasting blood sugar 94. TSH. Fasting blood sugar 94 milligram per dl. TSH 20 milli international unit per liter. 20 mu per liter. Free T4. Free T4 was 4 picomole per liter. Free T4 4. The value is 4 picomole per liter. 4 picomole per liter. TSH was 20. T4 4. T4 free T4. TSH value was 20 mu per liter. Free T4 value. Free T4 value 4 picomole per liter. Any problem? Free T4. What is free T4? 6300. 6300 per cubic millimeter. Free T4 ki? What is free T4? T4 and T3 mainly found in our blood in bound state with thyroglobulin. Okay, but the presence of thyroglobulin affects the bound part. So total is free plus bound. So total count, total amount of T4 or T3 can vary according to presence of thyroglobulin, but the free part remains constant, mostly remains constant. That's why it is more specific. Free T4 value is more specific. Okay. Anti-TPO. Anti-TPO. What is anti-TPO? Anti-thyroperoxidase. Okay. So this is present in normal trace. Okay. Present in normal trace. ECG shows bradycardia with low voltage complexes. Bradycardia. In ECG we can see bradycardia. Chest X-ray normal. Now, what is the diagnosis and why? What is the diagnosis and why? Case complete লেখা সবাইকার কোথাও কিছু মিস হয়েছে? Bradycardia with low voltage complexes. Bradycardia লেখ তাহলেই হবে. ECG shows bradycardia. What is the diagnosis and why? First question. Second question, what is the reason behind weight gain? What is the reason behind weight gain? Cold intolerance. What is the reason behind weight gain? Cold intolerance, lethargy and body aches. What are the common causes of hypothyroidism? Third question, what are the common causes of hypothyroidism? What are the causes of hypothyroidism? হয়েছে? Next question. What are primary and secondary hypothyroidism? How are they distinguished? What are primary and secondary hypothyroidism? How are they distinguished? What is the principle of management of hypothyroidism? What is the principle of management of hypothyroidism? Clear? Complete. Next question. Next clinical case. Next clinical case. A 35-year-old woman. A 35-year-old woman presented in emergency. Presented in emergency with 2-week history of breathlessness and palpitation. 35-year-old female came to emergency with 2-week history of breathlessness and palpitation. She gave a history of weight loss approximate of 10 kg over 3-month period. She gave a history of 10 kg weight loss over last 3 months. A 35-year-old female came to emergency with history of 2 weeks duration of breathlessness and palpitation and breathlessness and palpitation for 2 weeks and history of weight loss of approximate 10 kgs over last 3 months. She complained of heat intolerance. She complained of heat intolerance and excessive sweating. She complained of heat intolerance and excessive sweating. She had no chronic illness, was not on any medication. She had no chronic illness and was not on any medication. There is no family history of thyroid disease. No family history of thyroid disease. On examination, history হয়েছে লেখা সবার 35-year-old female came to emergency with a 2-week history of breathlessness and palpitation and approximate 10 kg weight loss over 3 months. She also complained of heat intolerance and excessive sweating with no history of chronic illness or any medication. No family history of thyroid disease. হয়েছে? On examination, she looked tired. On examination, she looked tired with blood pressure of 140/98 millimeter of Hg. Pulse rate of 116 per minute. 140/98. BP 140/98 and pulse rate 116 per minute. Tremors could be observed in outstretched hands. Tremors could be observed in outstretched hands. She had exophthalmos. She had exophthalmos with a diffuse goiter. Exophthalmos with diffuse goiter. Lab investigations are as follows. TSH less than 0.01 milli international unit per liter. TSH less than 0.01. TSH less than 0.01 milli international unit per liter. Free T3, FT3 এটাকে লেখা হয় FT3 হিসেবে, free anything free T4, free T3, FT3, FT4 হিসেবে লেখা হয়. Okay, so free T3 value is 46.08 picomole per liter. 46.08 picomole per liter. Free T4 54.67 picomole per liter. Anti-TPO more than 1000 IU per L. More than 1000. Anti-TPO more than 1000. Normal, আচ্ছা normal পরে বলছি. Thyroglobulin antibody 507 IU per ml. Thyroglobulin antibody 507 IU per ml. Thyroid receptor antibody 38 units per liter. Thyroid receptor antibody 38 unit per liter. Investigation শেষ. Okay, all other investigations were within normal limits. USG of thyroid gland, USG of thyroid gland showed diffuse goiter with no nodules. Diffuse goiter with no nodules. Now come to the questions. What is the most probable diagnosis? Most probable diagnosis. হয়েছে সব ভ্যালুগুলো সবাই ঠিকঠাক লিখেছে তো? Okay, most probable diagnosis, why there is heat intolerance, excessive sweating, tachycardia and breathlessness present. Why heat intolerance, excessive sweating, tachycardia, breathlessness present. What is the biochemical basis of exophthalmos? What is the biochemical basis of exophthalmos? History te chilo to patient is having exophthalmos. What is exophthalmos? Protrusion of eyeball. Protrusion of eyeballs, তাই তো? What is the reason behind raised antibody titers? What is the reason behind raised antibody titers? What is the principle of treatment? What is the reason behind raised antibody titers? Raised antibody titers. Antibody titer, T-I-T-R-E-S. Titers মানে values. হয়েছে? What is the principle of treatment? হয়েছে? Question দুটো clinical case দুটো লেখা শেষ হয়েছে? আচ্ছা, কোনটা আগে বলবি তোরা? এটা না আগেরটা? কোনটা কি কেস? Which one is hypo and which one is hyper? কেন? আচ্ছা, very good. So এটাই করা উচিত, ঠিক আছে? So you have to look for the symptoms and history first. কারণ patient will come with symptoms and history, not with his or her blood reports, তাই তো? So what are the symptoms of hypothyroidism? What happens in hypothyroidism? So BMR is decreased or hampered. That's why all the metabolic processes gets slow down, তাই তো? আর তার জন্য first effect কি হয়? Less energy production. Less energy production will lead to lethargy. Lethargy and weakness. That will give rise to weight gain. And other symptoms like coarse and dull skin, puffiness of face because of edema. So all of these symptoms suggest hypothyroidism, and so the blood reports, and there is also a positive family history, right? So most likely cause of hypothyroidism is iodine deficiency. It can be iodine deficiency. It is the most commonest cause, right? But if there is family history, it can be Hashimoto's also, right? Hashimoto's congenital হতে পারে, but congenital হলে কি হবে? From birth there will be abnormalities, and that is known as cretinism, right? Congenital hypothyroidism is known as cretinism. The baby is born with absence of thyroid glands or dysfunctional thyroid glands lead to cretinism, ঠিক আছে? So this is a case of mainly Hashimoto's, okay? So the patient is suffering from the diagnosis in this case, in the first clinical case, is hypothyroidism, and this is a what kind of hypothyroidism? This is primary or secondary? Primary. Why? So we have to know the normal TSH, T4 and T3 values. Write it down. Normal TSH range is 0.4 to 4.5 milli IU per liter. 0.4 to 4.5. 4.5 or 5? ঠিক আছে 5 milli IU per liter. 0.4 to 4.5 or 5 milli IU per liter. Free T4 10.3 to 21.9 or 10 to 20 picomole per liter. 10 to 20 picomole per liter. Free T4 2.5 to 5.5 2.5 to 5.5 picomole per liter. Free T4 10 to 20 picomole per liter. 10 to 20. Free T4 value বললাম normal free T4 value 10 to 20 picomole per liter. Free T3 value 2.5 to 5.5 picomole per liter. ঠিক আছে কিছু প্রবলেম? So from the reference range values we can say in the first clinical case patient is suffering from hypothyroidism because the T4 value is much less than normal. It is 4 picomole per liter and because of this feedback mechanism leads to rise in TSH value. তাই তো? In the hormonal axis, if thyroid hormones are synthesized in low amount, it will give rise to a feedback mechanism that will poke the pituitary to produce more TSH. That's why the TSH value is raised here. তাই তো? বোঝা গেছে? So why this is primary hypothyroidism? Because the pituitary function is okay. Feedback mechanism is acting well, leading to increased rise in TSH. But the thyroid gland itself is affected. That's why it cannot produce enough T4, though enough TSH or excess TSH is present. বোঝা গেছে? So primary hypothyroidism এর ক্ষেত্রে TSH will be high. T4, T3 will be low. But in case of secondary hypothyroidism কি হবে? TSH will be low as well as T4, T3. ঠিক আছে? Clear? Okay, next question. So remember the hormonal axis. Hypothalamus to pituitary, pituitary to thyroid gland. TRH from hypothalamus leading to synthesis of TSH and TSH will help in secretion of T4, T3 from thyroid gland. In this case, we are from the investigations we are seeing that T4 value is decreased. তাই তো normal value should be within 10 to 20 picomole, whereas the patient's value is 4 picomole. In the first clinical case, we are discussing the first clinical case, তাই তো? So it is hypothyroidism because the thyroid hormone concentration is decreased. But what kind of hypothyroidism is this? So we have to check for the TSH value, whether the TSH is normal or increased or decreased. In this case, TSH is decreased or increased. Normal TSH value is 0.4 to 4.5 to 5. Here it is 20. So TSH is raised or increased. Why this raise happened? Because of the feedback mechanism. Thyroid glands cannot synthesize enough thyroid hormone, so it gives to giving rise to a feedback mechanism, তাই তো? Which helps in increase TSH secretion from pituitary. বোঝা গেছে? Pituitary is all right. Pituitary is acting fine. That's why this is a case of primary hypothyroidism. ঠিক আছে? as there is a presence of family history. We can say this might be autoimmune cause. ঠিক আছে? So anti-TPO here is found in trace amount. Maybe in few months it will rise. ঠিক আছে? বোঝা গেছে? না, Hashimoto's এর ক্ষেত্রে only thyroid gland is affected by antibodies. হ্যাঁ, in case of brainstem lesions, হ্যাঁ, বা pituitary tumors, সেই ক্ষেত্রে we can see secondary or tertiary causes. ঠিক আছে? না. So clear why this is hypothyroidism and why primary hypothyroidism? From the symptoms and from the investigation report, we can conclude that this is a case of primary hypothyroidism. Okay. Now, what is the reason behind weight gain, cold intolerance, lethargy and body pains? Already discussed. Because of decreased BMR, thyroid hormone helps in all metabolic pathways leading to energy production and proper metabolism of all the macromolecules, right? So in case of hypothyroidism, these pathways are hampered, energy production is hampered, thus leading to weakness, lethargy and weight gain. ঠিক আছে? Okay, next question কি ছিল? হ্যাঁ, বল, what are the causes of common causes? Iodine deficiency. Okay, iodine deficiency is a general cause of hypothyroidism. What else? Hashimoto's autoimmune disease, where body produces antibodies against thyroid follicles, leading to decreased production of thyroid hormones. Okay, next. No, this is kind of family history is like linking the presence of autoantibodies. Okay, so it can run in family, production of autoimmune diseases. Okay, now next, in case of surgical removal, if patient is suffering from any kind of surgical removal of thyroid gland, তার থেকে হতে পারে hypothyroidism, primary hypothyroidism. কি হয়েছে, প্রবলেম কি, কি জিজ্ঞেস করছিস? কোল্ড ইনটলারেন্স এর কারণ হচ্ছে যে বডির মেটাবলিজম যখন স্লো হয়ে যাচ্ছে তো এনার্জি প্রোডাকশনও স্লো হয়ে যাচ্ছে, তো এক্সট্রিমিটিস গুলো ওই জন্য কোল্ড হয়ে যাচ্ছে, বডি ওই এনাফ এনার্জি প্রোডিউস করতে পারছে না হিট জেনারেশনের জন্য, দ্যাটস ওয়াই এক্সট্রিমিটিস গেট কোল্ডার. ঠিক আছে? আর বডি পেইন হচ্ছে ওভারঅল ইডিমেটাস হয়ে যাচ্ছে, রিফ্লেক্স গুলো কমে যাচ্ছে, জয়েন্ট স্পেস গুলো অক্লুডেড হয়ে যাচ্ছে সেই জন্য. ঠিক আছে? মাসল মুভমেন্ট স্লাগিশ হয়ে যাচ্ছে. ক্লিয়ার? নেক্সট কোশ্চেন কি ছিল? প্রাইমারি সেকেন্ডারি হাইপোথাইরয়েডিজম. হয়েছে? সেটা তো বোঝাই গেছে. সো হাউ টু ডিস্টিংগুইশ from the TSH value? In case of hypothyroidism, T4 T3 value will be low, and in case of primary, TSH value will be high, whereas in secondary hypothyroidism, TSH value will also be low. ঠিক আছে? Principle of management of hypothyroidism. স্টিমুলেটিং ড্রাগস বলে কিছু হয় না, মেইনলি হচ্ছে বাইরে থেকে সিনথেটিক থাইরয়েড হরমোন আমাদেরকে সাপ্লাই করতে হয়, আর তার নাম কি? লিভোথাইরক্সিন. ঠিক আছে? সো দ্য ড্রাগ ইজ লিভোথাইরক্সিন, সিনথেটিক লিভোথাইরক্সিন. ম্যানেজমেন্ট একটাই, হাইপোথাইরয়েডিজমের ম্যানেজমেন্ট একটাই, দ্যাট ইজ রিপ্লেসমেন্ট থেরাপি বাই সিনথেটিক লিভোথাইরক্সিন. রিপ্লেসমেন্ট থেরাপি বাই synthetic levothyroxine. হয়েছে? Clear all the questions? Any more question from this case? আচ্ছা, ECG তে একটা ফাইন্ডিং ছিল, that is bradycardia. That is also because of the hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism এর another feature হচ্ছে bradycardia. Okay, come to the next case. এটা কি case? Hyperthyroidism, definitely. But to be specific, কি এখানে আর কি কি পাচ্ছি other than the thyroid hormone values? আর কি পাচ্ছি? Various antibodies are present, তাই তো? So this is also another autoimmune disease. এটা কি disease? Graves disease. This is Graves disease. Why Graves disease? Graves disease কাকে বলে? যেখানে থাইরয়েড হরমোন রিসেপ্টরের এগেইনস্টে অ্যান্টিবডিজ তৈরি হয়। সো হেয়ার উই ক্যান সি, আচ্ছা এগুলোর নর্মাল রেঞ্জটা লেক, অ্যান্টি টিপিওর ভ্যালু বলেছিলাম মোর দ্যান 1000 এখানে, তাই তো? নর্মাল হচ্ছে লেস দ্যান 35 IU per L। অ্যান্টি টিপিও, normal range of anti TPO is less than 35 IU per L. In this patient it is more than 1000. Thyroglobulin antibody normal is 0 to 40 IU per ml, 0 to 40, 40. Here it is 507. Thyroid receptor antibody normal 0 to 10 IU per liter, IU per liter. Here it is 38. Okay, হয়েছে? T3 2.5 to 5.5 picomole per liter, বললাম যে আগেরটায়, হয়েছে? Now here from the USG report we can see there is diffuse goiter, তাই তো? But no nodules present. So in case of Graves disease there is a generalized attack of antibodies on the thyroid gland, তাই তো? And on thyroid hormone receptors, ঠিক আছে? So the most probable diagnosis is Graves disease, and all the symptoms like breathlessness, palpitation, excessive sweating, tachycardia, all these are suggestive of hyperthyroidism. বোঝা গেছে? Due to the increased BMI. Okay, হয়েছে? Clear তো? সবাইকার বোঝা গেছে কি why this is Graves disease and why there is excessive sweating, palpitation? কাজ করে না নয়, there are auto antibodies against thyroid hormone receptors and there are anti TPO and thyroglobulin antibodies. Mainly thyroid hormone receptor এর against antibodies are produced. ঠিক আছে? Clear? So what is the biochemical basis of exophthalmos or proptosis? হ্যাঁ, তো অটোইমিউন ডিজিজের জন্য why there will be exophthalmos? So what happens, our antibodies it is mainly against the thyroid hormone receptor antibodies. So thyroid hormone receptors are spread out all over the bodies, right? All over the body. So now what happens in the muscles around the eye? The antibodies, they act upon these muscles, okay, and there is a inflammation running on, and that's why the muscles and the tissue like the posterior eyeball tissues, they are swollen, leading to the protrusion of eyeball because of the immune reactions. ঠিক আছে? The antibodies present in Graves disease will lead to inflammation and swelling of extraocular muscles and tissues. লিডিং টু প্রপটোসিস। হয়েছে? বোঝা গেছে? বেশি থাইরক্সিন রিলিজ করছে কারণ ওর অ্যাক্টিভিটিটাকে বন্ধ করে দিচ্ছে। যে থাইরয়েড হরমোনের যে অ্যাক্টিভিটি ছিল, রিসেপ্টর ব্লক হয়ে গেলে বডি ভাবছে আই এম প্রডিউসিং এনাফ থাইরয়েড, বাট দ্য রিসেপ্টরস আর ব্লকড in cellular level. Thyroid hormone cannot enter the cells and thus the pathways are affected. ঠিক আছে? সো এক্ষেত্রে কি হচ্ছে, থাইরয়েড গ্ল্যান্ড নিজে আরো বেশি করে হরমোন প্রডিউস করছে। ঠিক আছে? সো এটা নেক্সট লেভেলে এসে রিসেপ্টর ব্লকিং হচ্ছে। ক্লিয়ার? গ্রেস ডিজিজের ক্ষেত্রে তো রিসেপ্টর মেইনলি যে যে জায়গায় আছে সেই জায়গাগুলো বেশি এফেক্টেড হচ্ছে। ক্লিয়ার? লিডিং টু palpitation, breathlessness, all these. Clear? Now, principle of treatment. Here we should administer anti-thyroid drugs. ঠিক আছে? Anti-thyroid drugs like thiamazole. Anti-thyroid drugs like thiamazole is used for treatment of hyperthyroid. If the thyroid gland size or the goiter size is much enlarged to produce pressure effect, then surgical removal is needed. ঠিক আছে? So for treatment, initially we would start with anti-thyroid drugs like thiamazole, but if the goiter is enlarged much to produce pressure effect on neck, তাই তো? Pressure effect on neck কি হতে পারে? Shortness of breath হতে পারে, problem in deglutination হতে পারে, তাই তো? So all these pressure effects if seen, or hoarseness of voice হতে পারে, voice deformity থাকতে পারে. So all in case of all these symptoms, surgical removal is required. হয়েছে? Clear? হয়েছে? বোঝা গেছে? So what are the causes of hyperthyroidism? Mainly একটা তো আমরা পড়লাম, Graves, autoimmune disease. আর কি থেকে হতে পারে? থাইরয়েড ক্যান্সার থেকেও হতে পারে। কোনো টিউমার or mass of thyroid gland can also lead to hyperthyroidism. বোঝা গেছে? সো এই দুটো কেস from thyroid function test, তোদের কার্ড হয়তো অন্য থাকবে, ঠিক আছে? যে কার্ড থাকবে সেখানেও রেফারেন্স রেঞ্জ হয়তো দেওয়া থাকবে আর তার সাথে রিলেটেড কোয়েশ্চেন্স করা হবে। সো হোয়াট ইজ দ্য প্রসেস অফ ফর্মেশন অফ থাইরয়েড হরমোনস, দ্যাট কুড বি আস্কড। ঠিক আছে? যে ফলিকলের মধ্যে কি করে ইন্টিগ্রেশন হচ্ছে আয়োডিনের আর থাইরক্সিনের, সেটা জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারে। বা থাইরয়েড হরমোন আফটার প্রোডাকশন ব্লাডে কিভাবে সার্কুলেট করছে, কোথায় কোথায় যাচ্ছে। ওকে, what are the target points for thyroid hormone? All these could be asked. ঠিক আছে? Clear? These two cases are clear? আসলে অ্যান্সার করতে পারবি?